Hello everyone, this is Sarabjit Kaur and today we will start chapter number 27, that is the languages of writers, and along with it we will do chapter number 28, that is a famous autobiographies. So firstly, language. What is a language? Language that changes forever and we use it every day for expressing ourselves. That is a language, and every country have their different language, and as well as every state have their own language. In Punjab, we are living in Punjab and we have the language that is a Punjabi, and as a, if we will take this thing that as a nation we are living in India, and India has a near about 29 states and every state has their different language. So in states there is a different language as well as every country has a different language. So first of all the question is, which is an international language? So that is a English, I think you all know. The second question is, which is a national language? Okay, that is a Hindi, very good. The third question is, which is a regional language, which is a mother tongue which we use? That is a Punjabi. So today we will discuss about the writers and their language, in which language they have written, which language they have used. So there is total 3, 6, 9, 10 writers, and we will discuss about their languages. So first of all there is a William Shakespeare, and he has written in English language. Here you can see the book, he is The Merchant of Venice. That is a novel which he has written in English language. There is so many plays and novels and sonnets, poems, so many things that he has written in English language. The second one is Premchand. Premchand, maybe you have read in your books that Munshi Premchand, he has written many stories which is included in our syllabus. So here is one book in your library, that is a Premchand's Rangbhumi, and his more books is like Godan, Nirmala, all these books are of Premchand. The third one is Leo Tolstoy. He has written the books in Russian language, and War and Peace is his famous book that is in your library. You can take and utilize these books. The next one is Valmiki. He has written in Sanskrit language, and his most important work is that he has written the Ramayana, that is a holy book of the Hindus. The next one is Mirza Ghalib. His language is Urdu, and he has written many ghazals in Urdu language. The next one is Jose Saramago. His language is Portuguese, and he has written Blindness and All the Names. These are the books of the Jose Saramago. Next one is Wilhelm von Goethe. He has written the books in German language. The next one is Rabindranath Tagore. It is a famous personality. I think you all know about this one person. Here is a picture of Rabindranath Tagore, and in your library there is a book, Great Works of Rabindranath Tagore, that what he has done. And his famous work is that he has written our national anthem that we always speak in our morning assembly, that is a Jana Gana Mana. His famous book is also Geetanjali. The next one is Subramaniam Bharti. She has written in Tamil language, and the last one is Mahaswati Devi, that she has written in Oriya language, and his book is 20 Girl Dawai Girl. These are the books of these writers, and your homework is that you have to write the languages of the writers. If there will be any doubt, you can ask in the comment section box. And the second thing is that you have to do one more thing, that you have to write the books of these writers for your more information. Now the next chapter is famous autobiographies. So what is autobiography? First of all, it is a book about the life of a person written by that person. So autobiography, like myself, I Sarabjit Kaur, if I will write the book on myself, then that will be written by myself, that will be autobiography. But biographies, it is a detailed description of a person's life written by someone else. If someone else will will write about my life, that will be biography. In both books there will be a life details of a person, but autobiography, that person writes about himself on, and in the biography the book is written by someone else. This is the difference between the autobiography and biography. Your chapter is autobiography, so now we will discuss about the biographies. Long Walk to Freedom, first autobiography is Long Walk to Freedom. There is one picture on your book, so you have to identify that who has written this book, who has written this autobiography. That is Nelson Mandela. He was a South African president, and this book was published in 1994, and it is written in English language. The next one is The Diary of a Young Girl, and it was written by Anne Frank, and its subject was World War II, and it was published in 1947 after the World War. The third one is Barack Obama. He was a president of United States, as you all know. So his book is Dreams from My Father, and he has written in this book about his early age. The next one is Gandhi and Autobiography. This book is in your library, an autobiography of the story of my experiments with truth. He has done some experiments with the truth. He has written many stories about his childhood in this book. He has written this one by himself, Gandhiji. So you have to read about this personality, and it is available in your library, and it was translated by Mahadev Desai, and it was written in the language Gujarati. The next one is Freedom in Exile. It was written by Dalai Lama. So here you can see it is a biography which is available. So you can read about this one personality also. So and he has written two autobiographies. First was My Land, My People, and the second one is Freedom in Exile, and it was published in 1991. And one biography is By God's Decree, that was by Kapil Dev. Here you can see Kapil Dev. He was a former Indian cricketer, and he has written about the cricket experience in his book. The last one is Hope Against Hope, and it was written by Anna Akhmotra, and it was published in 1970. So this is all about the autobiography. Still, if there will be any doubt, you can ask, and your homework is that you have to take the title of the book, and like Long Walk to Freedom. The one biography is left, that is a Daughter of the East, that is written by Benazir Bhutto, and she was a Pakistani politician. So if there will be any doubt, you can ask in the comment section box, and you have to take the titles of the autobiographies and write the name of the writer, that who has written, write the name of the person who has written about this one book. Thanks and have a nice day.